Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be fitting a body kit to a BMW M4, I believe. Haven't even seen the car yet, but I think it's an M4. Could be a 4 Series, I don't know. So he's bringing it around now. It's one of those carbon fibre body kits, so I'm not sure what's involved. We'll have a look at the car, we'll have a look at the body kit and see what's involved, and we'll try and get it on and see what it looks like. Let's do it. Right, so that's the car. The customer's just bought this car and wants to jazz it up a bit. So we have the kit, which is... where's the kit? Oh, it's over there. So that's the kit. Nothing to look at the moment because it's all in boxes. But we love boxes. So we'll get them out and see what's involved in putting these on. Happy days. Right, so we've started opening a couple of bits. This is the kind of stuff we're dealing with. So proper carbon fibre kit. Very nice. You get a little goodie bag in there. Give you some sweets and an air freshener and some door cover hinge covers kind of thing. You do get a fitting kit, it looks like, so you've got screws and double-sided tape. This is the splitter for the front bumper, and this goes around the fog lights, these bits. What else have we got? These are the side skirts. We haven't opened everything yet. What the hell are these? Are these, oh wow, exhaust covers as well, exhaust tips. Look at that. So you literally get everything in this kit. I like the way it's packaged as well. Very nice packaging. What's this company called? What are they called? Carbon Factory. Look at that little envelope in there as well. Look, very posh. Oh, look at that. That's the rear bumper diffuser. Very nice. Now also, what we've got to do as well is, in here we have the steering wheel, the standard M3 steering wheel, and the customer wants it replaced with, wait for it, where's it gone? Oh, it's here. So we've got this steering wheel. Look at that, it's carbon fibre and all. A proper racing steering wheel that is. Obviously it's all dismantled, so what we would have to do is take that off, dismantle that and transfer everything over onto that new steering wheel. So that's another thing we'll be doing. And apart from that, I think that's it. So what we got there, so is there a boot spoiler? Must be a boot spoiler, and there's a boot spoiler in that box there. We'll carry on taking out all these bits and pieces and we'll get to fitting it and see what it goes on like. So let's do that. This is the boot spoiler, even though it's in a cover, but how nice is that? Look at that. Looks a bit like the Roger Federer thing, doesn't it? Very posh. Packaged in here as well. It's like unwrapping a mummy.
100%. It doesn't. This is much made for a coupe.
So these front bits are held on, well, they fit here like so, but they are held on with double-sided tape. And also the lower splitter, once that's attached, will also hold the bottom part of that up as well. So you've got the tape running along here holding the top, and then the lower part of the splitter screws into the bottom part of this and through to the bumper, which will hold all that in place. Right, we've just fit this skirt on, if you want to call it a skirt. And the way you do this is, looking at this one, so you've actually, first of all, make sure you've got the right way up. So on this side you've got a curvature different to the other side. And I don't know if you can pick that up, but there are little dimples to show you where the screws need to go. So drill those out first, but this part here is going to be up against the body of the car. So to remove the exhaust tips, we're using this puller because they are quite solid. So the puller just helps pulling it, literally just pulling it out with your hands. So it does help. What have we used? Oh, we've used all them to, yeah. So that's how to get the exhaust tips off. You can see there's an actual guide there which lines up with that divot or that guide over there, so they can't go on wrong. But yeah, use some kind of a puller to get them off like that. So we've just realised that these exhaust tips don't come with the body kit, so they are from a company called UK Auto Design. So they are not part of the actual kit, although they look exactly the same as the kit. Just for your reference. So fitting of these panels, well, in this panel in particular, it's got the lugs just like on the genuine trim we took off, so it literally just pushes into place as if you were replacing it with the original one. Is that in now? Is that? I think there's two screws at the bottom that's got to be. Yeah. So yes, it's basically a direct replacement for the original part, so that just pushes in place. Make sure the lugs are all tight and secure, and then there's a couple of screws at the bottom under here that just secure the rest of it.